Are your kids jumping into spring sports? Guarantee a successful sports season by fueling your champion with better nutrition. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you easy and delicious ways to eat like an athlete and have a ball while fueling your body for success with tropical oatmeal energy balls. Starting with a food processor, combine 1 cup of Hy-Vee old-fashioned oats, a ½ cup of Hy-Vee unsweetened coconut flakes, a 1/4 cup of 60% cacao bittersweet chocolate baking chips, and a ½ cup of freeze-dried mangoes. Unlike most dried fruit, this freeze-dried mango contains 0 added sugar, plus provides the perfect amount of tropical flavor and crunch, along with potassium, vitamin C, and iron. Next, add a ½ cup of cashew butter and a 1/3 cup of light agave nectar. Cover and pulse this mixture until well combined. Cashew butter is rich in monounsaturated fat, which keeps us feeling full and energized. Once mixed, shape this into several 1-inch balls. Chill them in the refrigerator for 30 minutes or until set. Enjoy with a glass of milk or store in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Water is always a good option, but milk and other electrolyte drinks can be a great way to help support hydration and bone health to prevent stress fractures. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. Get healthcare news, dietitian recommendations, plus exclusive offers. Sign up for our Hy-Vee Health 360 monthly newsletter at Hy-Vee.com.